So there is a great role in civil society speaking up for big issues. And on the other hand, as an industry body, it's the industry who has been leading climate action into introduction of renewable energy, in bringing in electric mobility. So if we can keep up bringing the demands of society of greater equality and access to public goods, access to clean energy, to less air pollution, to more affordable energy, and to have better, for example, in Chile we use a lot of firewood, or we use in the use for heating. We can connect that with actual what industry can offer, let's say electrification of transport, especially public transport, and people can feel attached to that. You can actually connect those two worlds. The need for climate action with what society expects today, solving their issues, daily issues. Let's say, think of electric mobility. Chile has put a priority on electric mobility on public transport rather than cars, because this is, of course, it's way more effective because you reduce more, you replace diesel engines from the public transport, and you have greater impact on society because you transport way more people. And it's, of course, something that finally also reduces CO2 emissions and air pollution. So it connects the public good with climate action. Well, I mean, it's not important, it's fundamental. It's a question of survival of humanity. And Chile as a country has committed to carbon neutrality by 2050. And of course, there will be again a big role on the electricity side. We see, and it's obvious to say, as electricity producers, that the chances of replacing fossil fuels, in particular oil in transport, is the biggest chance of reducing CO2 emissions, in particular, in the case of Chile, where we see that all electricity that is added on the grid is renewable, and we're phasing out of coal. That's another aspect. So carbon neutrality by 2050 is based on renewables, phasing out of coal, the electrification of transport, and then there's the whole issue of buildings. And that's, again, an equity issue. Energy efficiency in buildings, replacing the heating sources in bad quality, either wood, which is renewable but is unsustainable if it's taken out from the forests. That combined can achieve carbon neutrality and increases benefits for society. It's not costly. We've seen that in Chilean case, you can actually have economic benefits from adding carbon neutrality with the air quality benefits and the efficiency of homes.